Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance bonuses. First, navigate to your reward center within the Binance app or website. Here, you'll find all your available bonuses, such as cashback vouchers or trading fee deductions. It's crucial to activate these rewards before their expiration date to ensure you don't miss out. Each bonus has unique requirements, so carefully read the details to understand how to redeem and apply them effectively to your trading activities. This ensures you maximize their value. Once you're in the reward center, you'll see a list of your eligible bonuses. To activate a bonus, simply click the Activate button next to it. For example, a trading fee voucher might require you to complete a certain number of trades or reach a specific trading volume within a set period. Make sure to fulfill these conditions after activation to successfully redeem the reward. Always confirm the activation status to ensure the bonus is ready for use. After activation, many bonuses, like trading fee vouchers, will automatically apply to your eligible trades, reducing your costs without further action. Cashback vouchers, on the other hand, typically credit a specific amount of cryptocurrency directly to your spot wallet once the conditions are met. For futures bonuses, you might need to engage in futures trading to unlock and utilize the reward. Always monitor your wallet and transaction history to confirm the successful application of your bonuses. To truly maximize your Binance bonus benefits, regularly check the announcements section for new promotions and limited-time offers. Combining these bonuses with other platform features, like staking or savings products, can significantly enhance your overall returns. Remember, understanding the terms for each bonus is key to unlocking its full potential. Also, for those looking to freshen up their ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Don't miss out on these opportunities to boost your crypto journey and everyday life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.